Hi guys, welcome back to Food Mood Creations. It's been a while since I posted anything, but I want to at least get something up for you guys. Today we are making keto blueberry lemon muffins. In this bowl I have almond flour, pea protein powder, baking powder, and salt. If you don't have pea protein powder, you can use any protein powder you have on hand. I'm just whisking the dry ingredients to combine. In this bowl, I have stevia. I'm just gonna add eggs, coconut oil, lemon juice, and applesauce, and whisk that to combine. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk to combine. Now I'm going to fold in the blueberries. I reserved some of the blueberries so I could add them to the muffins later, but you don't have to. You can add all the blueberries now if you want to. So I did not realize that I didn't add the milk until now, so now I'm just gonna stir that in. I don't know how I forgot the milk because I usually pre-measure everything before I start filming, but it is what it is. As you can see, the batter is way too loose, so I added coconut flour because I knew it would absorb some of the moisture in the batter. Speaking of coconut flour, check out my guide to baking with coconut flour, and I also have one on baking with almond flour. Those articles will be linked in the description box below. I let the batter sit for 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to scoop it into a muffin pan lined with muffin liners. Now I'm adding more blueberries to the top of each muffin, and I'm gonna bake them for 25 minutes until they are golden brown. This is how the blueberry muffins turned out. They were surprisingly good even though I had a few mishaps while making this recipe. If you want detailed instructions on how to make these lemon blueberry muffins, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.